How to hide Instagram followers list from friends. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and further tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, in the Settings and Activity page, tap on the Account Privacy option you see there, and further go ahead and toggle on the Private Account Toggle button. And once your account is private, users except for the people you follow will not be able to see your following list, and further, only the people you follow or you approve as followers can see your followers or following lists, posts, and stories. So, this is how you can hide Instagram followers list from friends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.